Hi friends! Welcome back to Art House for Kids channel. Today we're drawing shapes with both hands. Are you ready? Let's go! First, a heart. Make a heart with me with both hands, nice and big. Perfect! Now a square, 4 strong sides. Never mind the imperfections. You are doing great drawing with both left and right hands at the same time. Did you draw it well? Awesome! Great job so far! Let's draw a triangle this time. 3 sides, 3 points. Did you draw well? Brilliant! Please like our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Time to draw a rectangle, like a stretched square. Yes, yes. Did you draw it very well? Awesome. Please like our video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It is the turn of circle. Let's draw a circle with our both hands. Interesting. Did you draw it well? Beautiful. Please like our video, so that more kids can see our videos and have fun as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now for something cool, let's draw a cone, like an ice cream cone, pointy top and round bottom. Beautiful. It is so fun and interesting drawing with the both hands. It is cool, right? Have you tried this before or it is your first time of drawing with both hands? Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's add additional curve in the inside of the cone to show a rounded bottom. We can start with dots to indicate that it is behind, but if you don't mind, you can choose to close up the dots. How do you like it, leaving it with the dots or closing it up? So cool! Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our video, so that more kids can see our videos and have fun as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.